Under the ancient canopy of Jamaica's dense rainforest, there lies an old, forgotten temple, its stones moss-covered and whispering secrets of a time long past. Guarding this sacred place is a mysterious sentinel, a majestic tiger with sleek, striped fur that shimmers under the moonlight. But what makes him extraordinary is his eye color. Normally a deep amber, they glow with a fierce, bright blue whenever he encounters a human. One humid Jamaican night, Jason, a curious explorer, ventured into the rainforest, drawn by tales of the temple's hidden power. As he approached the crumbling steps, he felt a sudden chill, and saw a pair of luminous eyes emerge from the shadows. The tiger stepped into the moonlight, his gaze locking onto Jason. In that instant, the tiger's eyes blazed with an intense, glowing blue, illuminating the darkness like twin neon stars. Jason froze, awestruck by the creature's regal presence and the strange, mesmerizing light. The tiger didn't attack. Rather, he seemed to acknowledge Jason, as if recognizing a guardian of the land. Suddenly, a gentle hum filled the air, a message encoded in the glowing gaze, revealing the tiger's purpose: to protect Jamaica's sacred knowledge from those who would misuse it. With a slow, deliberate turn, the tiger disappeared into the shadows, leaving Jason with a newfound respect for the island's mystical secrets. From that night on, Jason knew the sentinel tiger wasn't just a guardian, but a bridge between science and legend, a living symbol of Jamaica's mysterious, otherworldly heritage.